Hello my dear students, welcome to a maths class. Today we are going to study the last topic of the third chapter called the place value. We have already studied the comparison of two-digit numbers and also we know how to arrange the two-digit numbers in ascending and descending order. Today we are going to study the comparison of three-digit numbers and also how to arrange three-digit numbers in ascending and descending order. It will be very easy for you because you have already studied the comparison of two-digit numbers and the arrangement of numbers in ascending and descending order. In the previous lesson, we studied how to compare two-digit numbers. In the same way, we can compare three-digit numbers. Here we are going to discuss how to find the greater number. Using the number line, write the greater number. We already studied how to compare two-digit numbers or how to compare numbers. Here, this is another method to compare numbers using number line. Which is greater, 5 or 13? For finding this, first we should draw a number line. Then write from 5 to 13 like this. Now where is 13? Yes, 13 is to the right of 5. We can see 13 on the right side of 5. So 13 is greater than 5. All the numbers on the right side of a given number is greater than that number. Let us try another example. Which is greater, 24 or 32? Here also we have to draw a number line first and write from 24 to 32. Now, where is 32? Yes, it is on the right side of 24. Thus we can say 32 is greater than 24. We have already studied these symbols. Which are they? Greater than and less than. We know that the open mouth faces towards the bigger number and pointed end faces towards the smaller number. We know that number with more digits is the greater number. We discussed this in the last class. For example, 13 and 130. Since 13 is a two-digit number and 130 is a three-digit number, which number has more digits? Yes, 130 has more digits. So, 130 is greater than 13. Or we can say a three-digit number is greater than a two-digit number. So, let us compare two three-digit numbers. Compare 475 and 289 and put proper symbol in between them. Since 475 and 289 are three-digit numbers, or we can say both the numbers are having three digits. So, compare the numerals in the hundreds places of both the numbers. Or the first digit, compare the first digit. If both the numbers are having same number of digits, you should compare the first digit. Here you can see the first digit of 475 is 4 and the first digit of 289 is 2. We know that 4 is greater than 2. Since 4 is greater than 2, we can say 475 is greater than 289. Now let us try another example. Compare 589 and 598. See, both the given numbers are having three digits. So, compare the first digit or compare the numerals in the hundreds place. The first digit or the number in the hundreds place in 589 is 5 and in 598 is also 5. Which means both the numbers are having 5 as the first digit. So we should compare the number in the second digit or number in the tens place. In 589 we can see 8 is the second digit, and in 598 9 is the second digit. Since 8 is less than 9 or 9 is greater than 8, we can say 589 is less than 598. Then compare another two numbers, 644 and 640. Since both the numbers are having 3 digits, we have to compare the first digit or compare the numerals in the hundreds place. Yes, in both numbers, 6 is the first digit. So compare the second digit. Here both the numbers are having 4 as a second digit, which means the first and second digit of both the numbers are same. So we have to compare the last or the third digit or the digits in the ones place. Which are they? 4 and 0. Since 4 is greater than 0, 644 is greater than 640. What do you understand from this topic? First of all, we have to compare the number of digits. If both the numbers are having same number of digits, we have to compare the first digit. If the first digit is same, we have to compare the second digit. If the second digit is also same, we have to compare the third digit. In the same way, we can compare numbers, or we can find the largest or the smallest number. We can easily find out the bigger or the smaller number by following this way. Now let us study how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. We have already studied ascending order and descending order in the previous chapter. Let us try some examples for ascending order. You can see some numbers. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. For arranging these numbers also we have to follow the method which we have discussed. So here we can see all the numbers are having 3 digits. Since all the numbers are having 3 digits, we have to compare the first digit of all the numbers. Here we can see in 832, 8 is the first digit. 401, 4 is the first digit. 942, 9 is the first digit. 641, 6 is the first digit. And in 382, 3 is the first digit. So arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to big order. So we have to select the smaller number. Which is a smaller number? We know 3 is smaller than all the other numbers, which are 8, 4, 9 and 6. So we have to write 382 first. Then among the rest, which is a smaller one? Yes, 4. So 401. We have to write 401 after 382. So need not to compare 401 and 382 again, because we have already arranged that numbers. Again compare the first digit of the other 3 numbers, 8, 9 and 6. Which is a smaller one? Yes, 6 is a smaller one. So after 401 we have to write 641. So no need to compare it again with the other numbers. Now we left with 832 and 942. Compare the first digit, 8 and 9. Yes, 8 is smaller than 9. So we have to write 832 as the next digit. Then at last we left only with one number. So you have to write that number as the last number, 942. Let us try one example for descending order. Here you can see some numbers. We have to arrange this in descending order, which means arranging the numbers from big to small. As we can see, all the given numbers are having 3 digits. So we have to compare the first digit of all the given numbers. See, now I am going to write all the first digit of the given numbers. 1, 7, 4, 4, 5. Which is the bigger number? Yes, 7 is a bigger number. So 781 is a bigger number among all the given numbers. So we have to write 781 first. So don't compare 781 again because we already arranged 781. Then which is the bigger number among the rest? Yes, 547. Since that number having the bigger number as the first digit, that number will be the bigger one. So we have to write 547 after 781. Then see here, two numbers are having 4 as the first digit. Then what we have to do? We have to compare the second digit of that two numbers. Here 7 is greater than 2. So we have to write 476 as the next number. Then compare the other two numbers. It is very clear that 4 is greater than 1. So we have to write 422 as the next number, and at last we have to write 187. My dear students, I hope all of you understand today's topic. Study well. Take care. Thank you.